As EV charging becomes essential in our modern lives, meeting regulations, reducing costs, and unlocking new revenue streams are crucial. Our innovative DC EV chargers promise an electrifying, simple, and enjoyable journey towards sustainability. Transform your EV charging experience with Eaton's new GreenMotion DC30 and GreenMotion DC60 EV chargers. Redefining our portfolio with unparalleled ease of installation and commissioning, enhanced uptime and regulatory compliance, all while securing local funding and optimizing costs. Designed for speed and reliability, our EV chargers offer user-friendly features and flexible payment options, delivering a seamless and safe charging session for any vehicle. You only need your smartphone or smart device or laptop for the setup, so you can say goodbye to complex installations, elevate your market reputation, and increase customer satisfaction. You can also seamlessly integrate them into your current infrastructure and experience hassle-free maintenance and remote monitoring with high availability of spare parts, reducing your service time and cost. Trust Eaton's after-sales support to minimize operational costs and scale with growing demand. Revolutionize your EV charging services with Eaton and take your business to the next level.